go again. And has it gone through, or is it a bump ball? Macintosh is going nowhere. Tendulkar's taken the catch. Has he been given? He's starting to walk. In fact, he has been given. Full of length again.
Well, the Indians didn't waste any time. They'd seen enough of him in the first inning to realize that that's the way to go. Get him to play forward.
He's still not convinced, you know. He's still not convinced of Macintosh. What do you think, Ravi?
I think it's out because Ian Gold raised the finger straight away. And the way Tendulkar reacted after taking the catch. See, the fingers are under the ball here. Well, he's hurt himself, so he's leaving the field, but he's taken the catch cleanly. I think it's out because Ian Gold raised the finger straight away. And the way Tendulkar reacted after taking the catch. See, the fingers are under the ball here. Well, he's hurt himself, so he's leaving the field, but he's taken the catch cleanly. And hence the celebrations. But no
Umpire Guild gave him, but should he have? That's the key. There's no doubt about it. It's an outside edge. Did it carry through to Tendulkar on the full? No. It bounced. I think it bounced, Ravi. I'm pretty sure it's bounced there. Has it made contact with the ground there? I don't think that's carried, to be honest. You see the seam. Watch the seam. The cricket ball seam change direction when it hits the ground. But in all fairness, he was given out by the umpire. Was given out, and Macintosh, there was a reason he stood there.
But let's put it this way, had this been referred to the third umpire, he most certainly would have been given not out because there's an element of doubt. But I really, to be honest, I feel that probably even there's a case of the fingers getting under the ball, as opposed to the one we saw earlier with Dhoni, where it was clearly bouncing. And it's a tight one.
Will be a bone of contention, I'm sure. We'll try and give you as many angles as we can here to see. It is clouded because of the leg of Tendulkar, so that's non-conclusive. I just think that the ball has changed direction. I think you can almost see the ball hitting the ground and changing its trajectory. It's a tough one, really tough one. It's one of those ones where I think the fielder has no idea. It certainly feels as if, and it looks at, I would have thought at natural speed it would have looked as if it's gone in. I think at natural speed, and that's what the Indians reacted to.
But absolute ground level, then you can see the fingers getting under the ball. From here, 9 out of 10 times you'll feel as if the ball has bounced on the ground, where actually you can't see if the fingers are under the ball because of the angle of the camera. And that's why I leave these decisions to the players and settle it on the field.
They leave them to the umpire, and the umpire sit out. And I'm afraid there's nothing can be done about it now. Given the catch, they actually put the ball in his hand, right, and took the shot from various angles as to say, is my finger under the ball? Is the ball carried? And it was surprising the number of times from commentary you got it wrong. Quite clearly got it wrong, that the hand was actually under the ball.
That's why I feel even after watching that, if I have to make a call, I think 70% of the time in that case the finger is under the ball. 3 for 1.
Hard to tell. My only thought here, Ravi, is that the ball is spinning one way, then all of a sudden it goes the other way. Now, is it the finger making that trajectory change, or is the ground making it change? I mean, if you looked at the ball, would there be grass in the seam? I don't know. That could come off the surface of the pitch. It's one of those ones where I think you just take the word of people involved and get on with it. And of course, the umpire made the decision, so that's final.
Well, he's left the field, Sachin Tendulkar. And he's cut the nail. There's blood there. And that could well be the finger that was under the ball when it came into his hands.